Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe that is very delicious for the summer, but you can enjoy all year around, and it has so many great vegetables and it tastes really good. So you want to start out with this kind of soy granulate, and you want to put it in a bowl, and you want to add some vegetable stock to that and let that sit according to what the package of your soy says for a couple of minutes. You also want to add some chili flakes, some pepper and some salt, and then just let that sit. Meanwhile, you want to peel your potatoes and you want to cook them for 15 minutes until they're softened. Then you want to cut down your zucchini into thin stripes, and you want to get a baking sheet with some baking paper and place these on there. And you want to try to put them on there so they don't overlap. Next up, you want to do the same thing with your eggplant and put that on the same sheets, and then you want to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil all over, and you want to bake that with 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and get the soy mixture and you want to put it in a sifter and get rid of all the excess water by pushing down on it quite gently. Then you want to place it back in your bowl and you want to go ahead and add some spices. We have this special spice that is supposed to make soy stuff taste more like meat. So this has a lot of smoked salts and paprika in it. And you can also add some tomato paste and mix that in really well. Now you want to cut down your onion and you also want to prepare some garlic. You want to melt a little bit of butter in a pan, and when this is melted you want to throw in the onion and wait for it until it turns glassy, and then you can add in the soy mixture as well and just heat that up a little bit. Then you want to add the garlic as well as the wine and the tomatoes and a little bit more of tomato paste and mix that in and let that cook for a while. Now you want to go ahead and add in these spices. So here we have the cinnamon, then a little bit of chili flakes, some cumin, and a little bit of paprika. And you can also add a little bit more salt and pepper to your taste and let that cook for another 5 minutes. Again, in a little pan you want to heat up a little bit of butter and add in some flour and mix until it gets to a creamy texture. Then you want to little by little start adding in the milk until you have an even sauce. Then you want to add in the creme fraiche and mix that in really well. Now you can again add your spices, so some chili flakes, a little bit of nutmeg, and salt and pepper to taste. Now you want to take it off the heat and you want to stir up 2 eggs and then you wanna mix them into your light sauce. And make sure this is off the heat now. Last but not least, you want to cut down some tomatoes into slices, and then also cut down the potatoes into slices. Now you want to prepare your casserole. So you want to take some butter, spread that evenly, then take some breadcrumbs and spread those around as well. And then you can start off with the first layer, which is the potatoes, and you want to make sure you cover your whole casserole with that. Then you want to use 1/3 of the soy mixture and spread that out evenly on top of the potatoes. Next up, you want to add half of your tomatoes, and then you want to go ahead and put on the eggplant. Again, 1/3 of the soy mixture, spread it out evenly. Then you want to do the zucchinis. And the last little bit of the soy mixture, spread it out evenly. Then you put the last couple of tomatoes on there. And last but not least, you want to pour the white sauce over that. Make sure you distribute it evenly. And then you're ready to bake with 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. And then it should look like this, and you're ready to enjoy. I really hope you give this a try because it's a very, very good recipe. I really enjoy it, and as I said, just so much vegetables and stuff. So yeah, give it a try, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.